Hello, my name is Marcus Blair. I work for the Cape Fox Cultural Foundation, and today I will be teaching you how to properly sharpen your tools. We have a variety of tools, our bentwood knives, made by Kestrel Tool. You can find them at kestreltool.com. Preferably iron is what we use for bentwood knives. When we order blades, sometimes it comes with the handle, but today we usually like to custom fit it to our hands to have better angles in which that we carve. We use 3 different types of whetstones. The first one would be the 1000 grit, which would be this dark stone right here. This would be used for when you're carving on the iron. It would leave marks. And the 4000 grit would be this light dark stone right here. This would be also used to sharpen the blade and also alleviate some of the marks on the blade to shine it. And as for the final one, you would use this one, which is an 8000 grit. And this would be to shine it up to make it look almost like brand new. And to make sure that your stones are ready at all times, you actually want to submerge them underwater. And to make sure that it's ready for beginning, you got to make sure that it stops bubbling. It's like a sponge. The darker the stone, the stronger the grit. This one's 8000 and this one is 1200. I prefer to use the 8000 if the blade has a lip or a bend in it. You would want to fix that because you can get it caught and probably cut yourself in the process. To lay it down. Let's say this straight blade had a lip on it. It wouldn't be careful to use. So you would want to end up having to push down just a slight bit and go back and forth on its bottom just until it becomes straight again. I'm using a clamp to hold it down at a certain angle so that I can start sharpening the blade with the stones. Make sure that it's not facing your body at all times. Now I want to start with the 1000 grit, which is the darkest one. Wet the blade. Make sure that it remains flat at the bottom and go towards the angle in which that the blade is facing. And hold the blade at all times. Maybe underneath it, not too close to where it is, because you might end up slipping and cutting your finger. Wet it occasionally. The 1000 grit stone will leave marks on the blade to show that which angle you're facing. You want to change it out. Go to the 4000 one, which is the light dark one. Clean it off. Wet it a little bit. And do the same process. This one becomes lighter. It shines the blade. but also sharpening it at the same time, little by little. Then I want to use the 8000 grit one. Clean it off. Light it down a little bit. Also, if you are deciding to store your tools and not use them for quite some time, it's best to store it by using oil so that it can refrain from rusting and damage. When you're done sharpening the blade, you're going to want to use this leather strop. The leather strop, after you are done using the whetstones, there tends to be some leftover metal in some places. So you're going to use this to get it off. Sometimes you want to use the sides. Clear it. Then put the oil on it. And then stow it away for further use for later on down the road. That prevents rust and damage. Wash your hands. Definitely, I can feel them. I'm Marcus Blair. Thanks for watching. Now you know how to sharpen your tools. Go ahead and like and subscribe. I'm gonna cheesh.